skill, dude.
If you're a subscriber to this channel, you probably know by now that Paul is notoriously known for losing to me. What? No? Remember all those hot dogs that you lost to me? Okay, ready? Compilation now. But today, I'm gonna give you a chance for you to redeem your hot dogs, okay? Right. So what we're gonna do is singles gameplay, but this time, I can't smash. To this claim, pretty much at this point in my life, this retired age, the only way I can win points is smash. I can't really run. Even though you're older than me, somehow you're still pretty active. I think it's because you're smaller. There's less mass, you know? When you fall over, it does less.
Gaining less weight.
Okay, anyways, you think you can beat me if I can't smash? Really? I don't know, but I'm gonna have the smarts. I'm gonna use serve and receive. I'm gonna use fakes. Yeah.
Doesn't matter.
Okay, okay, okay. Inside! Oh, you think I can't win points? Outside. How I'm gonna be winning points is just by applying a lot of pressure. For one, I don't think you're having a good time, man. Warming up. It's taking a while. It's so odd. Through this, I realized how much I smash. I have to like stop myself from hitting shots I want to hit. Oh, shit. No, that was so hard. Oh. I don't know how to hit those shots without smashing. It's so winner. You're gonna make yourself lose. I have to do nothing. You know, it's really a point that if every point that I'm winning is not by me winning the point, that means if I win, you made 21 mistakes. Can't handle the pressure. Slow hands, slow hands. What? That's a smash? That's all I need. One drop shot. Inside. Come on. Where's all this trash talk from earlier? Can't clear with me, what can you do? Cho! Okay, I'll give you one more chance. I really don't want to play in these long sleeve and sweatpants, but I'll give you one more chance. Yeah, that's your fault. All right, you're gonna do anything differently this time?
Pace, I guess.
You're just letting me control you. I made 0 mistakes. What mistakes have I made?
A lot of drop shots. Out. Out.
That's because your shots are so half court. I can't, I'm not trained to hit those shots.
All right.
Double or nothing?
You want double or nothing?
2 hot dogs?
All right.
Okay, if I win this one, then I'll treat a lucky subscriber to join us for hot dogs next time. So if you're in Vancouver, Canada, comment down in the comment section below. And if I win, I'll bring you along to our hot dog run. Okay? All right, let's do it. Also, just as a note, if any of you guys want to come film a video with us, like whether it's training video or playing video, yeah, also comment down below. Let me know you guys are in Vancouver and we'll start reaching out to you guys. Come on. Come on. How many times have you gotten away in that rally? Oh, interesting. Woo! Faked? I think I got faked into play a set I did not have enough energy for. Oh. Outside. Okay, okay. I'm a good man. That's what I need. Ooh, easy points. I don't think you're doing better. I'm doing worse and you're doing worse. This is just like Simon says. Ooh, it was your call to tip the bird. Ayya.
Jesus, what the hell are those?
Skill, dude. Outside. It's called pressure, guys. We're winning the points through pressure. Sometimes you don't need to win points to win points.
Why can't I get those?
You're not good. Oh, you're not even playing the, you're playing just no smash too. $20. All right, as promised, guys, if you guys want to grab a hot dog with Aylex Badminton Academy, me and Paul's treat, and comment in the section down below where you're from. If you're based in BC, great. If you're not, we're not flying you over for the hot dog. But yeah, hope you guys enjoyed this video. Make sure to like, comment, subscribe, and check out these videos.